In this video, we're going to show you how you can see who's viewed your TikTok profile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more tips. If you're curious about who's viewed your video and your profile, go ahead and tap the specific video that you're interested in. I'm going to choose this one right here. Keep in mind, this is only going to work for videos posted in the last 7 days, and this video right here was posted a long time ago. Essentially, tap on the view count right down here, and then tap turn on viewer history to enable the feature. Once it's on, you'll see a list of viewers. Just note, other users will also be able to see when you view their videos on their profiles if they also have this setting turned on. So both you and your viewer must have viewer history enabled for this to work. But that's how you could check to see if someone has watched your TikTok. To check the profile, simply head to your profile icon and then simply head to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner and then tapping the footsteps icon right here. You will need to turn on viewer history for this, but once you do so, you'll be able to see everyone who has viewed your profile. If you have any questions on either of these, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.